Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a detailed conversation about artificial intelligence AI, covering topics such as AI applications in healthcare, finance, education, art, daily life, and ethical considerations. This lesson will help you learn new vocabulary, practice English speaking, and understand real-life discussions about AI and technology. To stay updated with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to talk about AI confidently in English. Hi, Maria, have you been following the news about AI recently?
Hi, Alex. Yes, it's everywhere. I've read that AI is changing many industries.
That's true. AI is being used in healthcare, finance, education, and even art.
Wow. I didn't know it was that widespread.
Absolutely. For example, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately.
That's impressive. It must save a lot of time for medical professionals.
Yes, and it also helps in predicting outbreaks or health risks.
So it's not just about automation, but also about improving decision-making.
Exactly. AI analyzes large amounts of data and finds patterns humans might miss.
That sounds very useful for research and development.
AI is also used in finance, like fraud detection and predicting market trends.
Really? I thought finance was mostly human decisions.
Humans still make decisions, but AI provides accurate predictions and alerts.
That makes sense. It reduces errors and improves efficiency.
AI can also assist teachers by grading exams and personalizing learning plans.
That's interesting. It could help students learn faster and in a better way.
Some AI tools can even suggest topics for students based on their strengths and weaknesses.
That's like having a personal tutor for everyone.
Exactly. AI in education is growing quickly.
But does it replace teachers completely?
Not at all. Teachers are still essential for guidance, motivation, and creativity.
That's good to hear. Human interaction is important.
AI is also popular in creative fields like art, music, and writing.
Really? Can AI create original art?
Yes, some programs generate paintings, music compositions, and even short stories.
That's amazing. But can it replace human creativity?
AI can assist creativity, but it doesn't feel emotions or have personal experiences.
So it's more like a tool to enhance human work.
Exactly. AI can help brainstorm ideas or speed up tasks.
I see. That can save time for artists and writers.
Another area is self-driving cars. AI powers autonomous vehicles.
I've heard about that. Are they really safe?
They are improving, but human supervision is still important.
I imagine AI has to analyze millions of data points in real time.
Yes, it uses sensors, cameras, and algorithms to make decisions on the road.
That's very complex, but it could reduce accidents if done well.
Exactly. AI is also changing customer service with chatbots and virtual assistants.
Like the ones on websites that answer questions automatically.
Yes, they can handle common questions and free up human agents for complex issues.
That must improve customer experience and reduce waiting times.
AI is also used in marketing, predicting what customers want and suggesting products.
That explains why online shopping feels so personalized.
Right, algorithms learn from your browsing and buying behavior.
Some people say it feels almost like AI can read your mind.
In a way, yes, but it's all based on data patterns, not real thoughts.
That's still impressive. I didn't realize AI could be so advanced.
AI is also changing the job market. Some repetitive jobs are automated.
Does that mean humans will lose jobs?
Some jobs may change, but AI also creates new opportunities in tech, research, and AI development.
That's reassuring. So people need to learn new skills.
Exactly. skills in programming, data analysis, and AI ethics are in high demand.
AI ethics? What does that involve?
AI ethics deals with responsible use, privacy, and fairness in AI systems.
That sounds very important. People must ensure AI doesn't harm society.
Yes, developers are learning to avoid bias and make AI transparent.
Bias? How can AI be biased?
If the training data has bias, AI may make unfair decisions, like in hiring or loans.
That's concerning. So data quality is very important.
Absolutely, ethical AI ensures fairness, accountability, and safety.
I see. AI is powerful, but it must be controlled carefully.
AI is also transforming science. It can predict chemical reactions or discover new materials.
That could speed up innovation in medicine and technology.
Yes, some AI systems can even design drugs faster than traditional methods.
That's incredible. It could save many lives.
AI is also used in environmental monitoring, like predicting climate change impacts.
That's very important for protecting our planet.
Some AI programs analyze satellite images to detect deforestation or pollution.
Wow! I didn't know AI could help the environment.
AI is also used in robotics for manufacturing and logistics.
That explains why factories are becoming more automated.
Exactly. Robots can work faster, safer, and without fatigue.
But humans are still needed to manage and maintain them.
Yes, humans and AI work together to increase productivity.
That seems like the future of work. Collaboration between people and machines.
Right, AI is also popular in entertainment, like video games and virtual reality.
How does AI improve gaming experiences?
It can create smarter non-player characters and adaptive game difficulty.
That makes games more challenging and fun.
AI can also generate realistic virtual worlds and simulations.
That's amazing for learning and entertainment.
AI is used in translation too, helping people communicate in different languages.
That's very useful for travel and global business.
Apps can translate speech in real time, making communication easier.
Technology has really connected the world.
AI is also helping in finance, detecting fraud and predicting stock trends.
That must reduce risks for banks and investors.
Yes, AI can spot unusual activity in seconds.
Humans would take much longer to notice the same patterns.
AI is even entering creative writing and journalism.
Really? How can AI write articles?
It can generate summaries, reports, and even simple news stories based on data.
That's impressive. But I suppose humans still review the content.
Correct. Human oversight ensures accuracy and context.
AI seems to complement humans rather than replace them.
Exactly. AI works best when combined with human judgment.
That's reassuring for people worried about automation.
AI is also used in personal assistants, like Siri and Alexa.
Yes, they help with reminders, schedules, and online searches.
They learn your habits to make life more convenient.
That's why AI feels so personal sometimes.
AI is also being developed for healthcare robots that assist patients.
That would be very helpful for hospitals with staff shortages.
Yes, and it can monitor patients' vital signs automatically.
That improves care and reduces human error.
AI can also generate personalized fitness and nutrition plans.
That's amazing for health-conscious people.
Some gyms and apps use AI to track progress and suggest exercises.
That motivates people to achieve their goals faster.
AI is also transforming agriculture with smart farming techniques.
How does AI help farmers?
It can predict weather, monitor soil quality, and detect pests.
That must increase crop yields and reduce losses.
AI drones can even spray crops precisely, reducing waste.
That sounds very efficient and eco-friendly.
AI also powers recommendation systems, like Netflix or YouTube.
That explains why I get videos I really like.
It analyzes your viewing habits to suggest content you may enjoy.
That feels very personalized.
AI is also used in law to analyze documents and predict outcomes.
That must save lawyers a lot of time.
Yes, AI can search thousands of legal cases in seconds.
That's much faster than manual research.
AI is also helping with cybersecurity, detecting threats quickly.
That's very important with increasing cyber attacks.
AI can identify unusual network activity and alert IT teams immediately.
That prevents major data breaches.
AI can also be used in energy management to optimize electricity usage.
That's useful for both homes and businesses.
AI can predict energy demand and reduce waste.
That helps save money and protect the environment.
AI is also being applied in space exploration.
Really? How does AI help in space?
It can analyze data from satellites, rovers, and telescopes faster than humans.
That helps scientists make discoveries more quickly.
AI can even control robots on Mars or other planets remotely.
That's amazing. I didn't know AI was used beyond Earth.
AI is also being studied for climate modeling and disaster prediction.
That could save lives during natural disasters.
Exactly. AI can simulate scenarios and warn authorities in advance.
That's very valuable for planning and prevention.
AI also plays a role in transportation planning and traffic management.
How does it improve traffic flow?
AI analyzes traffic patterns and suggests changes to reduce congestion.
That would make commuting much faster and less stressful.
AI is also transforming retail from self-checkout to inventory management.
That makes shopping more convenient for customers.
AI can predict which products will sell quickly and restock efficiently.
That reduces waste and ensures availability.
AI is also helping in recruitment, screening resumes, and matching candidates.
That saves HR teams a lot of time.
Yes, but companies must ensure the AI system is fair and unbiased.
Again, ethics is very important in AI applications.
Exactly, AI is a tool and humans must use it responsibly.
I agree. AI's power comes with responsibility.
AI is also developing in emotional recognition, understanding moods from voices or expressions.
That sounds futuristic. What is it used for?
It's used in customer service, healthcare, and even marketing to improve interactions.
Interesting. But it must respect privacy.
Yes, privacy and consent are key concerns in AI development.
I'm glad ethics are considered along with technology.
AI can also assist in language learning and translation.
That's very useful for people learning English or other languages.
Some apps can detect pronunciation errors and suggest improvements.
That's like having a personal language tutor.
AI is also being applied in gaming and virtual reality experiences.
How does it improve VR?
It can create realistic simulations and adaptive scenarios.
That makes learning and gaming more immersive.
AI can also monitor performance and suggest improvements in real time.
That's very useful for training and skill development.
AI is everywhere, from daily apps to advanced research.
It's incredible how much it impacts our lives already.
But humans must stay in control and guide AI ethically.
Yes, AI is powerful, but responsibility is key.
Learning about AI now can prepare us for future careers and opportunities.
I agree. Understanding AI is becoming essential for everyone.
Are you interested in working with AI in the future?
Yes, I want to learn programming and data analysis skills.
That's great. AI skills are highly in demand across industries.
I'll start with online courses and practice projects.
You could also experiment with AI tools for writing, art, and coding.
That sounds fun and educational at the same time.
AI is also great for research, like analyzing large datasets quickly.
That makes science and business decisions much faster.
AI can help us solve complex problems that humans cannot do alone.
Yes, but teamwork between humans and AI is important.
Exactly, AI is a partner, not a replacement for humans.
That's a positive way to think about the technology.
I hope our discussion motivates you to explore AI further and practice English while learning.
Absolutely. It's exciting, and I've learned so many new words today.